We are going to see the 36th sloka in Vishnu Sahasranam. The sloka reads, Skanda Skandadaro Dhuryo Varado Vayuvakanaha Vasudevo Brihadvanuhu Adideva Purandaraha. The names are like this. Skandaha. Immediate meaning that is available here is a person who dries up in the form of moving air. But details are available here. Skandati Amruta Rupena Gachati Vayu Rupena Soshayati va Skandaha. This is what Adi Shankara says. And if you go further, you will be able to understand that he is the person who destroys the Asuras and Rakshasas. And Parasara Bhattar links it to the Kurma avatar, the great tortoise. So Skandaha you can immediately remember as a person who dries up things and destroys asuras and rakshasas. Skandadharaha. So here there is a meaning that skandam is, is related to the righteous path. So Adi Sankara prefers it to be called a person who bears the righteous path or who supports the righteous path. Skandam Dharmapadam Dharayati iti Skandadaraha. This is Adi Shankara. So Skandadaraha you can understand as a person who supports the righteous path. Parasar Bhattar has something else to say. He says Skandadara Akyataha Shadanana Vidaranat Skandadaraha. He simply says that he is holding this Subramanya Swami within him, and that is why he is called Skandadaraha. This is Skandadaraha for your immediate understanding, the person who supports and takes care of the righteous path. Duryaha, very simple, a person who lifts, carries, supports the heavy world or universe. Dhuryaha means he is carrying a very heavy weight for immediate understanding. Varadaha. So whatever the devotees pray for, either it is worldly things or even it be liberation, the person who is readily granting is Varadaha. I think you were able to understand. Varadaha, the grantor of our wishes, or who answers all prayers also you can understand. Vayu Vahanaha, the person who makes air move around. Simple meaning. And you can also understand a person who uses the air as is, what should I say, mobile, in which he is moving around. As we use cars, he will be using air for his movement, like that you can understand. Vasudevaha. Simple meaning is a person who is present in all living entities. This is the immediate meaning that strikes everyone. Vasudevaha Sarvamiti Samahatma Sudurlabhaha is what Krishna says. A person who can see the presence of Vasudevaha in all living things is a great man and very difficult to come by. It is what Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Parasara Bhattar has some elaborated things written here, but two important lines there are Sarva Bhutan Vasayati Vasuhu Sa Parikirtitaha Yaha Kriditim Udayatva Vasudevaha Sa Uchyate. Simple thing is, he is in every living being and he is taking care of them, and that is why he is called Vasu. At the same time, he is doing all these things very playfully, and he has also demonstrated some very strange and miraculous events around him and unimaginable deeds. That is why he is called Deva, means that, and put together it is called Vasudeva. So, for your understanding, it can be as simple as that a person who lives in all living entities and is taking care of them very playfully, like that you can understand. Vasudevaha. Brihat Bhanuhu. He is a person who give effulgence to the sun itself. Very simple. Effulgence, he is a glowing person and he gives the glow to the sun, and so that the sun is taking care of us. Brihat Bhanu, a big sun who is giving effulgence to the real sun. Like that you can understand. Adi Devaha, he is the oldest person who has created the world and who is taking care of us. Adi means very old, you can understand that way. Purandaraha, he destroys the cities of the Asuras. Purandaraha, Puram means the cities where the Rakshasas dwell, and he has destroyed the living places of all the Rakshasas, which are called Puram. So these are all the names in the 36th stanza. I am reading the sloka again. Skanda Skandadaro Duryo Varado Vayuvaganaha Vasudevo Brihadbanuhu Adideva Purandaraha. The Namavali goes like this: Om Skandaya Namaha, Om Skandadharaya Namaha, Om Dhuryaya Namaha, Om Varadaya Namaha, Om Vayuvaganaya Namaha, Om Vasudevaya Namaha, Om Brihadbhanave Namaha, Om Adidevaya Namaha, Om Purandaraya Namaha. That is sloka 36. My request continues. Keep chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam and enjoy living. Thank you. Bye for now.